Salsa Improver level. This is video number 1, and today we have an exciting move. We move on from your beginner course with another fundamental turn, especially for the ladies. This one's really important.
And for the guys leading it,
Yes.
We're going to be taking you through 2 variations of the 1.5 right turn.
Yes.
So to begin, we're going to demonstrate the move. Then Ellicia will break down the ladies' footwork. I'll break down the guys' footwork, and we'll partner it all together. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 6, 7. 1. 5, 6, 7. Alright, Alicia's going to break down the ladies' footwork now.
Alright ladies, so I'm going to demonstrate this way to start. We have our basic for 1, 2, 3, but just watch what I do with my third step. I'm going to angle slightly to the left to prepare for my 1.5 right turn. So I got 1, 2, angle 3. Now this angle is led, and which we'll show you later. This is led by the gentleman. So I angle slightly to the corner on 3. From here, ladies, I'm doing half a turn on my 5, which as we know is our left leg. I do another half a turn for my 6, right leg. Then I complete my 1.5 turn with a final half a turn for 7, and then I should be back to my partner who is here in front, ready for my basic step. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to do it this way now. So we've got our angle on count 3. 1, 2, angle 3. From here, ladies, half a turn, 5 to the right, half a turn, 6, half a turn, 7, completing 1.5 turns with our basic step. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do that again, both sides, a little faster for you. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, basic step. One more time. 1, 2, angle, 5, 6, 7, basic step, and 5, 6, 7. That's our footwork, ladies, and now I'll hand you over to Mitch.
Alrighty, for the gentleman now. Now this is a new piece of footwork for you that I'm going to take you through. We're going to start facing this direction here. Now guys, with our footwork, once again, our body will always open to the left shoulder, okay? Now rather slightly different from our cross-body lead footwork, our first step, rather than being forward for 1, is actually going to be diagonally across. So we're going to step diagonally across for 1. The next step that we're going to do is we're going to start to wind our body to help open us up, and we're going to step together 2. We're going to open out onto our left leg for 3. Perfect. The weight should be transferred to the left. From here, we take a slight step back onto our right for 5.